So I went to Dollar Tree and grabbed this balloon stick with come in a set of 12, and we're going to use it. We can spray paint it in any color that we guys are doing, but I'm going to use different colors for this one. So I'm just going to set it up together. I'm going to take the small balloons and I'm going to place it in the balloon holder like that. Then I'm going to take this frame, it's from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take a floral foam, put some hot glue, and make sure to put hot glue all the way around it, and then go ahead and attach it to the frame like that. After you attach it to the frame, I'm going to take the balloons that we put together. We're going to take the hot glue and put a little bit of hot glue around the balloon stick and then place it inside so it can hold into place like that. So we're going to continue doing different colors. I'm going to do one blue, one pink, and then I'm going to do one yellow. So then after you do the back, I'm going to take the front and place it there just to cut it because I want it to be a little bit shorter than the one in the back. And I'm going to, after I cut it, I'm going to place it in the middle and then just go ahead and measure to make sure it is good, and then you continue cutting. If you want a smaller, it's up to you how you want it. Then after you find the size, just place it inside on each side, and then I'm going to place like 6 of them, 3 in the front and 3 in the back, and then just go ahead and place it in the front. Then I'm going to take my flowers. I'm going to put some toothpick and place it inside. You could put different color flowers like I did here. I took this little flower, blue flowers. You could put white, whatever color you're doing. I just couldn't find any colors. I'm going to take this butterfly and I'm going to place it in there, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think it came out so beautiful. This could be for any party decorations, and you could also do the balloon a bigger size if you want to. Like, I'm just giving you the idea. You decide how you want to do it. For the next idea, I grabbed this little glass that I spray painted before in another DIY. I'm going to put some floral foam inside, and then I'm going to do the balloons. So instead we have a little bit, now we're going to do like a medium size, so we're going to inflate a little bit more. Then we're going to take the balloon stick, and I'm going to put some hot glue and attach a flower in the balloon stick just like that. And then I'm going to take the balloon stick with the flower and cut it because we want it to be shorter, not to be that long, and we're going to place it inside like that. And here I think it was a little bit tall, so I'm going to make it shorter so it looks better. So I'm going to do it like that. So I'm going to cut all of them shorter into, just put it whatever size you think is best for you. It's all about your preference. So then just go ahead and place it inside and just spread it around all the way around it. Put some flour at the bottom part as well like that. And also I'm going to take the small one and I'm going to put 2 small one in the back. I'm going to do one yellow and I'm going to do one green one in the back. And this is how, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so inexpensive, and I think it will look great at any party theme that you guys are doing. Please don't forget to comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite, number 1, the other one, or this one, number 2. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and let's not forget to press like and share.